Welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll be solving question 4, which is the section of a hexagonal pyramid whose distance across flat is 60 and the cutting plane is intersecting the central axis at a point which is 20 from the base. At the center you can see it here, and the inclination is at 30 degrees to the horizontal. The height, total height, is 70. So take note, it is distance across flat, not distance across corner. So distance across corner and distance across flat, the two represent diameter of a circle. So I'm going to construct a circle of diameter 60, and that will be radius 30. Diameter 60, radius 30. This is 30. So I want to use this center as the center of my circle. So I'll draw my circle. After drawing my circle, I will now, since it is distance across flat, I'll draw tangential line at the bottom and at the top. Line just tangential to the circle, like this. And use the back of the T-square for this one, so that we can see the line, the point very well. Draw another tangent to the circle at that point. Then I will now use my 60-degree set square. But when you want to construct distance across flat for hexagon, then you have to use 60-degree set square to do that. I put it like this. Another tangential line from the side. This one like this. Move it down and do for this side. That tangential line like this. Then I'll rotate it like this and do the other one. And move it up a little. Tangential line to this, like this. And finally this other side, tangential line like that. So that is the hexagon. So let me thicken the layout of because everything will show according to the section. So let me just thicken it out once and for all, so that we can see it clearly. We're going to section it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share my video. Yeah, that is the hexagon. Now the next thing is to draw a line to represent. Let me choose this point just a little bit away from the hexagon. That will be the base of my prism. It is hexagonal prism that I want to construct. Let me use the bigger set square. Take it vertically upward. Take this one too vertically upward. This one too vertically upward. And the last one vertically upward. So that's what we'll do. Then let us measure the height. The height is 70. From 10 it will be at 3. This is the height. Let me erase this one so it doesn't cause confusion. So I'll draw horizontal at the point of the height, horizontal line like this. Then I need to draw the central axis as well, so that I can, because the cutting plane is from the, we are given the cutting plane from the center. Yeah, this is it. You can see this is the cutting plane. It is from the center. It is 30 degrees, inclined at 30 degrees to the center and horizontal plane. So I'll measure 20, which is the height. I'll measure 20. This is 20. At that point of 20, I will use my 60-degree set square to draw the 60-degree angle. This is my 60-degree set square. You just place it at that point. It's almost at the bottom. It's almost at the bottom. Maybe we should adjust our question a little. Let us move it up a little bit more so that we can have a clear view of what we have. 1, 2, 3. Let's make it 30. Let's make it 30. So you place it now and you draw the section plane. That's the section plane. So now let us label. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we need to draw the elevation in direction of arrow X. Take this one out here. Then put 45, draw 45 degree. I'll draw 45 degree from this corner. 45 degrees. So let me take the top too. Let me take the top. Just erase this one so it doesn't cause confusion. Now let me draw. So let me use the bigger one. I want to take 2 and 3 to the 45-degree line. Once it touches the 45-degree line, take it up. I'll take the middle 2, 1 and 4. Stop it on the 45-degree line. I also take the bottom, that is 5 and 6. Stop it on the 45-degree line. I need to extend that 45-degree there so that it will intersect with that line. Yes. So you take the 3 of them upward like this, the one in the middle like this, and the last one like that. So that is that. Now let us begin to connect them together. Let us label this one. This place is 1 coming from here. This one is 6 and 2. 6, 2. This one is 3 and 5. 5, 3. And this one is 4. 4. So let us start from 4. We take our 4 to the right horizontally. Then, and this is 4 here. It goes up and it will intersect 4 at this point. You can see it's meeting 4 here. Then we take our 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This is 3 here. It goes up here. It will meet 3 here. You can see it's connected to 3. And 5 is here. It goes up to this point. If you trace it, you'll get to 5. Now there's no edge at the center. We only use it to measure the height of our section plane. So we now go to the next one, which is 6 and 2. Draw it horizontally. 6 and 2. 2 is here along this line. Take it up. It is meeting 2 here. And 6 is at the bottom. It's coming here. It's meeting 6 here. And the last one, which is 1. Draw my 1 like this horizontally. Then our 1 is in the middle here. Here is my 1. So that is that. So you join with thick line, thick straight line. We are drawing with straight line because the prism is an object with straight edges, not circular edges. It doesn't have circular surface, so we need to join with French curve. We need to join with ruler, not French curve. So we only join cone and cylinders with French curve because the two of them have curved surface. And don't forget that we need to thicken this place because this edge is shown, because we are actually viewing it from this side, When you view it from inside, you see this edge, which will be an edge from the top to the bottom. So you have to thicken this one here. You have to thicken it here. And don't forget, we need to section. We need to section. We section with 45 degrees set square. 60 degrees set square. That's what I want to use now. But you can also section with 45 degrees set square. So make sure your section lines are evenly spaced. The spacing should be as even as possible. And don't allow the section lines to be too close. You don't need that. Don't allow the section lines to be too close. Don't allow them to be too close. And the section line should not go outside of the boundary of the area you are sectioning. Don't allow it to go out. So that's the section there. Then this one too, we need to section the plan. Aha, you can see now. So there's because it is 60 degrees, it is parallel to the side. As a result, you cannot section with this set square. You have to section with 45 degrees set square. So I forgot there, because the line must not be parallel to any of the sides of the object. So this other one should have been sectioned with 45 degrees set square as well, because the section lines must be equal. But because I've done it already, let's just leave it like that. But next time when you are doing your own, section this with 45 degrees set square. The section with, because if we don't section with 45 degrees set square, one of the sides of the object will be parallel to the section plane, and that must not happen in sectioning. When you are sectioning, you must not have any of the side of the object you are sectioning to be parallel to the section line. It is wrong. I think I'm likely erase that one and do the correcting. I'll erase that one and do the correcting. And do the correcting. So I'm supposed to have section with 45 degrees set square. So take note of the error there, so that when you are doing it, don't make that mistake that I've made. When you have any of the side inclined at 60 degrees, then you can't use 60 degrees set square. If any of the side is inclined at 45 degrees, then you can't use 45 degrees set square. For example, if we are treating an octagon, if it's an octagon that we are treating, one of the side will be at 45 degrees. So definitely we can't section that with 45 degrees set square. So that's it. Now the last one, which is the true shape. Let us thicken out the layout of our elevation to the given view. All these edges must be thick line, because we are viewing it from this side. We see this corner is representing this corner is representing this, so they must be done in thick line. And the edge, enter. Then let us now draw the true shape. To draw the true shape, you have to draw a line perpendicular to the line that you want to draw it through shape. This one is like this now, so you can place it, this one under it, beside it, and shift it a little bit away. Then you can now put this one on top, hold the one under firmly. So I can now draw my perpendicular lines. I can draw my perpendicular lines. And the last one. Then I want to draw a horizontal line. You can just hold it like this, put this one beside it, and shift this one up. So now I can draw my horizontal line, which will be parallel to this. So now I'm good to go. Now I need to take these ones out, but I have a line here already, 1, 2, 3. I can use this place. Just place a vertical line across the lines. Just place a vertical line. So I can use this place. This place is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This one is 1 and 4. And this is 5 and 6. So what I will do, this one at the bottom is representing this 5 and 6. So I put 5, 6 here. So I can stay on 5 and 6 and extend it to 1 and 4 to draw that one. You mark it like that. Now you can stay on 5 and 6 again and extend it to 2 and 3 like this. You stay on 5 and 6 and mark for 2 and 3 like that. Now you can now draw parallel line to this line from this point and this point. So put your set square on the line you want to draw the parallel line to first, then put the other set square behind that one. Now hold this one firmly, hold it, don't allow it to shift. Then move this one upward and you draw this. Move it upward again and draw this other one like that. So those are my lines. This point is representing this 1 and 4, 1, 4, and the last one is 2 and 3, 2, 3. Now let us connect them together. Don't forget, we need to thicken the base of the elevation. So this is 1. This place is 1. So 1 will meet 1 at this point. Here is 6 and 2. 6 is already here, very close, and 2 is at the top. You can see 2 here. Now here we have 5 and 3. 5 is here. As you can see, this is 5 here. So they are intersecting here. And next one is 3. 3 is here. You can see 3 here. The last one is 4. 4 is in the middle, this place. You can see 4 here. So you can now join with straight lines. You join with straight lines like this. You join all the points together with straight lines. You join all the points together with straight lines. I join with straight lines because it is a prism. It has straight edges, unlike a cone or a cylinder that has curved surfaces. So now that we are done with that, we can now section it. We have to section it. We are still using 45 degrees because we have used 45 degrees for some of the section. So this one too must be in 45 degrees. Section, don't allow your section line to come out. Don't allow your section line to come out of the boundary of the part you are sectioning. So that is the section of frustum of a prism, hexagonal prism in this case. Hexagonal prism. So that is the solution to the question. That is question 4. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.